Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Sanebox AI. Sanebox. Let's get started. Sanebox is an AI-powered email management service designed to help users declutter their inboxes and prioritize important messages. It integrates with existing email accounts and uses algorithms to sort emails into different folders based on preserved importance and user training. So I'm going to highlight the pros and the cons for us quickly. For the pros, it has significant time saving. Yes, it helps to reduce inbox overwhelm and stress. It helps for intelligent filtering and learning, and also useful features like that is beyond basic sorting. It also features like same black hole for one click on subscribing and blocking senders, saying reminders and saying no replies to track sent emails and remind you to follow up if there is no response, and saying snooze to temporarily remove emails and bring them back later. So you can also, it also works with most email providers. It's very compatible with the email services like Gmail, Outlook, iCloud, and others that support IMAP or Exchange. It also works within your existing email client, so you don't need to switch platforms. It has enhanced focus and productivity because you have cleaner inbox and fewer distractions, so you, the user, can improve your focus. Then when it comes to the cons, it is a subscription service, so the cost can be a drawback for some users. Then it has potential for initial complexity. It's designed to be simple, but the initial setup and understanding of all the features may feel a bit overwhelming for new users. Doesn't always have perfect filtering. That's another thing again. It's not always perfect. It has limited features on lower tiers, so if you want more features, you have to pay for the higher priced plans. In summary, Sanebox is a powerful tool for individuals and professionals struggling with email overload. Its AI-driven sorting and productivity features can significantly save time and reduce stress. However, subscription costs and a potential initial learning curve are factors to consider. It's often most valuable for those with a high volume of email traffic who can fully leverage its automation and organization capabilities. So give it a try today.